it appropriate to record?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know what it is.
I do? But why is it so big? You got a lot? Lacey came home with something. You got 5?
Are you okay?
Yeah, it just hurts. We can make all the pumpkin things. For those of you who don't know, this is America's finest pumpkin puree. It's really hard to find pumpkin puree here, and I ordered some online, but I got a pack of 3, and 2 of them came like super dented, and I was like, oh, I can't order them online again. It's a waste. I did get my money back for that because you can't eat them if they're super dented, but Micey got the goods. We can make pumpkin pie. Ooh, some better lighting. Okay. I'm so excited because we're going to go get some stuff from the grocery store. And we're going to make some pumpkin things. I can get stuff to make a pumpkin spice creamer. And then we're going to make either pumpkin muffins or a pumpkin coffee cake. Oh, I'm so excited. I love fall and I love pumpkin. I'm so excited. And my friends are here this weekend for their birthdays. They're taking a trip to Amsterdam and then coming to just like visit for 2 days and say hi. And I'm gonna make them a pumpkin pie for their birthday, I think. So maybe I'll get crust today. Or should I try and make crust myself? Like, how committed am I? I'm not really much of a baker. Like, I'm not that good at baking, so I don't know if it's really the route I want to take. Maybe I should text them and ask them if they prefer, like, a cake, though. It's the season of the witch. We're making pumpkin cream cheese muffins. Apparently, this is like a Starbucks dupe. And then with the remainder of this, I'll make a stuff for a pumpkin latte. All right, Micey, what does folding in the dry ingredients mean? Do you remember? How you were like, no, it didn't come out good because you didn't fold it right. Do you remember? Should we taste the batter? Are you proud that I'm measuring it? I'm doing that for you. Are you happy?
Very happy.
What, you thought I didn't want you looking at it because I didn't want your dirty paws in it? Vanilla extract! Okay, we need to put, this is the cream cheese filling. We need to put this in this. Like hold it somehow. Do it over here in case it falls. Because you know I will have a
The meat?
Yeah, that's helpful. You can let go. Put the bag in, got it. You can let go of the bag. For coffee. Look how good these look. I'm very excited. Here they are. You choose which one you want. It's kind of big. You want to share one?
That's good.
Nice.
That's good.
Guys, it's a new day. Today we're not really doing much. I'm gonna do just a little bit of meal prep today. That's all I really have planned, and I think I'm gonna do my nails because I was really inspired by all the pumpkin puree that Mike brought home that I literally am like, I want like not pumpkin design on my nails, but I want like really cute fall colors. Besides, there was drama with our pram, you know, like well, I don't know if you know. If you've been here, you've probably heard me talking a lot about, oh, we're going stroller shopping. Literally at like month 6 of pregnancy. We're now in the 9th month. Eventually we were like, we're not gonna go stroller shopping. We're just gonna get something on Amazon. We have a Bugaboo back in the US, which if you don't know, that's like a very nice stroller. That was a hand-me-down. So we really don't need something super nice here, but we obviously need something. So we just ended up ordering one online, but it's been like 3 weeks and it hasn't come in, and it's been at the depot for like a week and a half now, and we keep calling and it's lost. Point is, long story short, it's lost. So I requested a refund today. Hopefully we get the refund and it's not some complicated thing. It is on Amazon, but it's like through a third-party seller, so fingers crossed we don't lose our money on that, because strollers aren't cheap. But I just ordered a new one, but we are kind of like a little stressed out about it. Micey called yesterday and was on the phone for an hour, or 2 days ago, and then called again this morning and was on the phone for an hour. And I was like, oh my god, oh, I was planning on doing that today 'cause you did it the other day. It was my turn. And he was like, honestly, no, I knew you'd get so frustrated. That stress just isn't good for you or the baby. So I just figured I'd call. I was like, you're such a martyr. You are a martyr, because trust, I did not want to be on the phone to that company, the shipping company, because I was like 3 or 4 days ago, before he called and got through, I had called them and I had already experienced what it was like, pretty much is what I'm trying to say. So I did not want to be a part of it. So I was very grateful that he did that. But anyway, we just got one that was available on Prime, not one that takes any extra shipping time, because we were just thinking it's really not something we want to wait until the last minute, because the stroller also comes with a car seat. And actually in London, or in the UK in general, you can leave the hospital without a car seat. Someone told me here that you can't. Actually, multiple clients of mine had told me that you can't leave the hospital without a car seat. But when I was in my prenatal classes, the lady said to me, explicitly said, you can go in a taxi without a car seat. You can leave the hospital without a car seat. And I was like, that's crazy. So you can go in an Uber even, because obviously they made the law back when Uber didn't exist, and then they just never updated it. So this was like when there was just black cabs, I assume. The seats are facing each other in the back seat of a black cab, like a London taxi. Don't see how that makes it any safer, but just so you can picture it, I guess. But we didn't want to do that either way. So we just ordered another 3-in-1 travel system stroller, which comes with a car seat, a bassinet, all that. That's our little stroller drama, but everything will be fine. It's okay. God, this is so good. You guys, this is so good. Can we just touch on it for a minute? I had a teeny bit of maple syrup left, but I bake with it all the time, so I'm constantly running out. I put some dates in this, in the whip that I made. It's a pumpkin creamer that I made last night, and I put dates in it to sweeten it. It's so nice. Oh my god. FYI, if you ever see me owning a cafe, just trust we're making our own syrups. We are not buying syrups. And will it be an expensive cafe? Probably, but I refuse to do bought syrups. They're just too easy and too delicious to make yourself. Yeah, that looks cute. welcome to the vlog. Okay, I have to hold it closer because that's just gonna be too loud. You need to flip it so you can see. I hate that I was like tan for a second and now I'm like already. Don't talk about wanting to be white on the vlog. That's weird. Marcus and Isabel are here. Marcus isn't working. Cooking only is. Okay, I have food too, so never mind. No? Oh, I thought you did. I know. As soon as she brought it, I was like, I want more. We're getting fish and chips because Marcus and Isabel are here. And vinegar. On a visit. Marcus isn't working. He's just here for funsies. They're going to Amsterdam after London for their B-Day, but obviously our food just came, so we're gonna eat and then we'll chit chat more later. Also, I just did my nails and I love them so much, so I hope you do too. Tag team, there's too many candles.
But I do want a picture of you with
Yeah, that's for the girlies with the long nails. You what? Okay.
I want a picture after you light it with your belly out.
I mean, yeah, you like that?
Oh my god.
The lighter by the candle.
What do you want? Why am I taking pictures?
Oh yeah, these are real waxy real quick, huh?
Happy birthday to you.
Can you shut up, Alexa?
Happy Alexa,
Can you shut
stop.
up,
Did you just go to say Beyonce?
Bianca, because that's our code word for her.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Swirled Marcus. Happy birthday to you. Bravo! Bravo!
Wait, take a wish.
Where am I getting the picture?
Oh, cute. Yeah!
Let's light two
So
candles.
cute,
Let's light two
Jord.
candles.
Oh my god, right by my face.
Wait, no, Isabel, you have to stand up so we both like kind of. Wait, move over.
Yeah, it was
It's
like
like July.
powder.
So
Like,
it was like fake, not real.
definitely.
That's why they gave it so freely.
Yeah, probably they're like, take this off our hands. We're gonna hate that junk. Normal, except if it were on me, I'm dying
I
it.
found one and I had to pluck it out immediately.
I know, that's why I dye my hair all the time.
I want white hair so bad.
White will look really cool on you.
Yeah.
Good morning. We're going to.
Sorry.
I look like a villain?
No, I was just saying Marcus will look like a villain.
Oh, like Hades from.
You'll look like the guy from
I don't think you'll ever get fully white
Why
hair.
don't you just dye it? Dye it white or blonde.
Oh, he did that once for a concert. He dyed it.
Coachella.
Yeah. But then he had to change it right back because work. Hello, guys. Yep, that's all I got in me. We're going to Portobello Rd Market today. Do you have anything to say, Micey?
No, these guys do.
Will there be mushrooms
Okay.
there? Portobellos?
This isn't the vlog.
Oh.
So, Portobello.
You want me to be?
She
You want me
wasn't
to be myself?
You get your head out of the gutter. No, not the accent in the
That's
vlog.
what you thought?
Yeah, you did expose yourself. Okay, guys, fit check. Oh, Micey.
You guys are matching.
This is a video, but I
She
know.
did
I know. He loves to match me. It's a video. But anyways, we can take a pic. Why do you even have that out? Aw, you should get that for your mom. We're grilling. We went to Portobello Rd Market. We went to Dishoom. You know, gotta do the London things, which is Indian food, if you don't know. Throw some potatoes in the oven. I made some gorgeous kebabs. We have a nice little Greek salad. Marcus bought burgers, which I don't want to season these. I'm gonna let him do that because I don't really want to touch the meat. And then we're gonna do a little fire outside and we're gonna grill. It's gonna be so nice and such a perfect fall night, and hopefully it doesn't rain. Is it nice?
Yeah, it's so good.
Did you taste it? That he didn't. That would have been like a cute thing to do all the time. He agrees. Oh, he said, Micey just brought it to my attention that we don't have a tape measure, but
We
have a tape measure, but not like one of those soft ones. Oops, sorry. You can wrap around your belly. So he said, you just need a string and then you measure it. And I'm like, oh yeah, you're right. You should have been doing this from the beginning. I'm 38 weeks today. Ooh. We have only 11 days left. Wow. 11 days until my due date. But some days I wake up and I'm like, I swear I grew overnight. And he's like, did you measure it? And I'm like, no, I didn't. So now, next time I say I swear I grew overnight, maybe I did. Okay, wait, to put this in perspective, not that my like rib cage was the same size as my belly, but just to put it in perspective, I'm a 34 for bra size, okay? Then I'm just about 43, is that inches? Inches, 109 centimeters. Wait, yeah. Ooh, she's thick. Okay, so 43 inches, 109 centimeters. I'm gonna write that down in my notes. And what else? We'll see what I am next week. Cause I swear I can feel when he's going through growth spurts, like it really, really hurts. It's like all my muscles feel like they're tearing to bits.
So you're manifesting not having the baby until next week at least.
Oh my God, did I just manifest it? He's not gonna come. But yeah, I had that like, not last night, but the night before. It was like the most painful sleep I've ever had. And I was like, okay, definitely grew overnight. But yeah, oh my God, I'm so big. I don't know why in my head when I was like 6 months pregnant, I was like, this is it. I'm just gonna be like this size throughout pregnancy. No. Okay, I'm about to close off the vlog, but it's a week later, a full week later. So I want to do another measurement and see if I've gotten any bigger. Micey, you're up. So we have 4 days left. Last time we did this, we had 11 days left. I thought you were going to measure my head. Be like stupid. I don't know.
Where did we do it last time?
I think like just above the belly button.
I don't think it's going to be that much difference, right?
I don't know. Ooh.
Sorry.
You didn't do anything. I just don't have balance. Okay. Okay, I think the first time something was off with the measurement because this is saying that I'm less than I was last time. But I guess.
I mean, we're not very accurate with our
But
method.
oh, you mean this isn't the most accurate thing? Yeah, this says that I'm less than I was last time. Well, we got the idea, okay? We'll leave the vlog at that anyway. No movement, no growth. Baby's chilling still. I'm very patiently waiting. I feel pretty confident that I'm gonna go over my due date, but we shall see. Anyway, thank you guys so much if you made it to the end. I love you a million, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!